Live as if you are not in danger. Speak as if you're not in danger. Express yourself as if you're not in danger. Me and many people out there have been growing up in a way through trauma that they always think they're in danger, that they always think that they are in a hole and they have to dig out of that hole. But by trying to dig out of that hole, it's an imaginary hole. You're destroying more than you're building. You want to know that you're already out of the hole now, and then act from that point. For example, if you always think you need to entertain or perform, which I always thought, to get the love from others. You need to perform or try to entertain them or give them something for them to like you. You always acting in a way that will repulse others because they're like, why is this person trying so hard? But if you like, I'm already good, I'm already successful, you be more of yourself. As if a teenager who is so stifled in school because they like being bullied, but when they are in their video game in their room by themselves on a controller with headphones on, they're like, oh, this is so much fun. What are you doing? Come follow me. Come, we're going around there in the game, right? They're more of themselves because they think they're more in safety. So you want to live like you're out of the hole. And it's going to be different than your thoughts are going to tell you now. Your thoughts might still tell you, oh, but you're not good enough, you're not ready yet. But a good way, so actually I'm just making this, Mark Freeman actually taught me this, right? Of being out of the hole and acting like you're out of the hole. When you're acting and when you're speaking like you're out of the hole, you're not self-canceling, self-checking yourself all the time. Oh no, am I saying something to be canceled? Am I saying something to be destroyed by someone else, by the fucking cancel culture or something? You're just expressing yourself truly. And this is why today the cancel culture and the media and Instagram and TikTok and YouTube who are censoring is so detrimental to people's mental health, because people are always like, can I say this? Can I say that? And you're never yourself again. You want to be yourself and expressing yourself by saying, oh no, I'm out of the hole. I am successful now. And a great example, Mark Freeman taught me this. So he gave me this example. I've been driving Uber, right? So I've been driving Uber, I've been driving Lyft for 4 years ago, before 2020, before I blew up on social media, before I came tremendously successful. And he said, what would the guy driving Uber say now about me? And I'll be like, I'll be freaking out. I'm like, we fucking made it. Yo, what the fuck are you talking about? What do you mean we have over 200,000 on Instagram? What do you mean we have over almost 800,000 on TikTok? What do you mean we have 1 million together? What do you mean we help so many people? We make funny videos. We made alien videos. We made alien videos. The person would freak out. They would freak out. You don't understand. I was driving 8 hours a day at night till 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. Not every day 8 hours, but a lot. And like having such random like kids company jobs, right? Craziness. And I always was like, oh, how do these people, I love making videos. I want to do this, what they love. Like, I would fucking freak out if someone would tell me that. But the funny part is now that I'm so successful, it's never enough. You always think that, oh, but I need to be where they are. I need to be further. I need to be further. I need to be on a higher platform. I need to be better. It's always this, if you feel like you're in a hole, if you don't live like from this point of, I'm out of the hole, you will always kind of sabotage yourself because you are living from a point of being in the hole. And then people who are, so to say, out of the hole will not recognize you as much, if that makes sense. So you want to live from out of the hole. Like, I am fucking successful now. I'm a G. Literally, I'm a fucking G. The thousands and thousands and thousands of videos I made on social media, I deserve this, right? So you want to come from this point. And it's funny because my friend, I'm going to name him, but he's also a famous coach on social media. He said, I always watch other accounts when they have like over 100,000 followers on Instagram, and I'm like, oh, that's a lot. And then I realized, oh, but I have over 100,000 as well. And then like, but to them, to you yourself, you're like, oh no, that's normal, whatever. Your brain always will make something up while you need more success. You are out of the hole, and then act from their place. It's a good reminder to have. So for me, moving forward, I'm going to continue do podcasts, move forward, but I'm going to speak more from a place of already having it, like already being successful, because I am. And I practiced this, if you watched even my last video, right, that I made before that about slowing down, I'm practicing already to slow down. Whereas back in the day, I always thought, no, I need to speed this up. This needs to be entertaining enough for all the ADHD people who are like, can't focus, and I need to be da-da-da-da. And I'm like, no, wait a second. I can speak the way I speak. I slow down, and I find my thought process, and I keep going. I'm more successful like that. So I'm going to move forward with that behavior, and I'm going to think of more examples of where, oh no, I'm already good. I don't need to do this extra stuff. I'm already, even in relationships, it's so important. I used to want to like entertain the people that I meet, like, and give, a lot of times, like, give them tips on meditation, or when they have a problem, like right away give them the solution about act therapy or mindfulness or something, right? And to almost like perform, right? But that, speaking of like you trying to be somebody instead of knowing that you're already somebody, is so different. You're trying to entertain to get something, or perform to get something, to get the acknowledgement or love or etc. But if you like, oh no, I can be myself and I'm deserving just being myself, you are much more yourself. And this is actually also something that Mark Freeman taught me, and this is so great. He said he was on Reddit, and there were so many people on Reddit from like traveling by themselves, right? The solo traveling. And they said, oh, I'm so bored everywhere I go. And he was like, how are you bored? This and this, and you can do so many entertaining this and this and this. And then he told me there's just people out there who always need to be entertained. And I had to think of all these like hot girls I met. A lot of times hot girls or spoiled people, like I had to just think of hot girls because it's like there's so many hot girls out there who are like spoiled, and they always want to be entertained. Entertain me here, entertain me there. And they cannot see the beauty in the world because they always need to chase entertainment. Everything's boring to them, right? Or spoiled people, or people who always kind of like, they have like this chasing of entertainment. Gimme entertainment. And they're just so indoctrinated in social media that they need these explosions and Mr. Beastification. Everything has to be there right away for them. But it's because they never trained themselves to have a perspective of the beauty in the world and how beautiful the world is and how there's beauty in contrast. So he told me those people, you cannot ever entertain them enough because they will always want more. They will always want more. So those are, and this made so much sense, those are the people, and I meet there's a lot of the population are those kind of people who are like, when they go into a conversation and they're not entertained, they think something wrong with the other person. Because they're takers. They're takers. Gimme, take, right? Mark Freeman calls them this people who constantly take. So they're just fucking takers. These people, you cannot deal with them. They have to figure it out on their own. And you don't want to be in relationships with them. It will be never enough. It will be never, ever enough. They will need more entertainment and more entertainment and more entertainment. And you see them on streaming platforms. You see them on YouTube. You see them, especially I see girls where like the guys always try to entertain them with more money, and it's never enough. And they jump from emotional entertainment to emotional entertainment constantly, right? It's like drug addiction. It's an addiction. More entertainment. It's never enough. You never want to be with these people, no matter how hot they are, no matter how many followers they are. It doesn't matter. It doesn't work. You want to be with people where they allow a connection. They slow down. They want to get to know you. They want to take the time. They understand that there is boredom. There is space. There is a space of connection, and that it needs some time for people to connect. That it needs some time for connection to be built. So the main point of this video was to come from a place of deserving, to already deserve. You already deserve, and you're already successful. And a great exercise is what Mark Freeman taught me, where you ask yourself, the person from like 3 years ago, if they would see you now, right? Would they be super excited? And if not, keep growing, keep moving on. But a lot of times, most people, they would be really excited. Oh, you did this, you did that. That's really cool, right? So, and if not, that's a great motivation for you to continue to moving, because many people come from all kinds of challenges, right? And become really successful, especially if you come from challenges, because you build that emotional fitness. So, but the other part, be careful about people who constantly chase emotional entertainment. I think that's it. I think that's the video I want to make, and in the future I want to make more videos of the things that I'm interested in, and I'm practicing, going to speak from this place of deserving and out of the hole, so to say, right? Because I come from a place, from trauma in my childhood, where I had to fight out the hole. So you have kind of that perspective, oh, I'm still, no, you're out of the hole. You're not in the trauma, you're out of the hole. And we have to remind ourselves of that, and then act from that place. Because if you still act from that place of the trauma, from being in the hole, you're going to get results from that. But if you act from being out of the hole, you're going to get good things. And I cannot tell you where this goes, my videos or so, especially like on YouTube, but I can be in the uncertainty and keep moving forward. And we'll see where this goes. These puzzle pieces maybe connect for me, and I grow from these videos of my speaking, from the way I share ideas, and to speak more from my heart, in addition to giving valuable tips. But I want to make more videos that I'm truly excited about, I'm truly interested in. Because I've been doing so many videos now, helping and giving all these tools, but I want to grow now with my videos, together. If that makes sense. All right? Cool. Peace.